Hello everyone and welcome back. On the heels of my latest video where I talked about Kratom and all the wonderful comments that I got from folks telling me, that I didn't know what I was talking about and it's just a plant and it's perfectly safe and, how it's helped them, to get off other drugs and all this other stuff. I'm going to keep talking about this because I see what's going on with Kratom. And I appreciate the comments. I don't have a problem with you disagreeing with me. Everybody's been respectful, but yeah, I'm staying on this bandwagon. And here's another example of what's going on with Kratom. I'll put a link to this article in the description for the video. Attorney General Paxton sues Kratom retailers for selling products containing nearly 50 times the legal limit of the potentially deadly alkaloid known as 7-OH. And this is going on in Texas, by the way. Paxton is the Attorney General for the state of Texas. Attorney General Ken Paxton filed a lawsuit against two California-based online Kratom retailers for deceptively marketing and selling synthetic Kratom products and adulterated products that are up to 96% 7-OH, which is the compound that's causing all these problems. This is nearly 50 times the legal limit under Texas law. This lawsuit is part of a sweeping initiative by Attorney General Paxton to crack down on the unlawful distribution of adulterated and contaminated products, Kratom products across Texas. I will not allow California-based companies to illegally ship their potentially deadly substances into Texas, said Attorney General Paxton. Synthetic Kratom products can be incredibly dangerous, and my office will continue to work to protect Texas consumers from the harms of adulterated Kratom products. So this is just an ongoing problem with Kratom. And I'm going to continue to talk about it. I'm going to continue to talk about marijuana. And if you want to disagree with me, that's fine. Our mission is very clear. We're here to save families. So if you're somebody who's sitting at home, you use marijuana, you like to drink, you like to use Kratom, hey, live and let live. Do whatever you want to do. I'm not trying to tell you how to live your life. I am reporting, though, based on what we see in the office from all the thousands of families that we speak to, during the years. I'm reporting not just what we see, but what's going on around the country, and what's going on around the country tends to support, what we're seeing, which is this stuff is dangerous. Okay, it's ruining young people's lives. It's ruining their families. And for families out there who consider an issue, who are dealing with things like Kratom and marijuana and other, recreational drugs, including alcohol, or you're dealing with somebody who's got severe mental illness who cannot make the decision to save themselves, this content is for you. Okay, and we're here to help you. And so if you'd like to have a conversation with us about what options may or may not be available, we'd like to talk to you. If there's an issue going on in your family and I've not made a video about that issue, let me know. Post in the comments. I'll make you a video, because if it's affecting your family, well, it's certainly affecting somebody else's. And if you like this content, please give me a thumbs up. If you want more of this content that I make for families every single day, please subscribe to the channel. And with that said, thank you for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.